Up, y'all? Hey, I was gonna do a quick video of this 30 by 18 with 18 by 18 vertical reverse flow. I've done videos of several of them, build videos, advertisement videos, but I'm fixing to do another one right quick. I just got this one done and finishing up another reverse flow over here. But anyway, let's take a look at this right quick. This is the 30 by 18 main chamber. It's 22 inches deep with 18 by 18 vertical chamber down there. Reverse flow. Has a burner right there. It does have the log lighter in the firebox. Two temp gauges in both chambers. It's got an ash pan in there. Coal basket. Four racks inside the vertical chamber. And that's where you would open the main chamber into the vertical chamber if you wanted to use this side. You would just turn that vent. Gaskets on both chamber doors. This one has 4-inch stack on both chambers. Two cooking grates inside main chamber. You can see the opposite side of that vent now that you would turn. But it has removable plates in it. And that way, if you did want to direct grill, you could pull those out. And then there's a coal rack beneath there. And there's a vent on this side. You would just open that vent and close the one on your firebox, and that would allow the draft to go the correct way then. Racks have supports in the center. It's not just a square with expansion like you see in the stores. Both chambers have a drain on it. There's a drain on the back side of this one. This one is 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch comes with solid rubber wheels. You can see them down there. The 1/4 inch one is 1650 and built with 3/16. It is 1400. The 3/16 one comes with 8-inch inflatable wheels. You can upgrade to the solid wheels for $50 more if you wanted to. But 1650 built with 1/4 inch and 1400 built with 3/16. Temp ports can be added, drip pans can be added. It just costs a little more for that. But anyway, that'll do it on this one. Like I say, 30 by 18 by 22 deep main chamber, 18 by 18 vertical chamber, 4-inch stacks, 1650 with 1/4 inch and 1400 with 3/16. I got another one over here, a 40-inch reverse flow that I'm probably gonna do a video on as soon as I put all the stuff back on it, and on maybe on this fire pit I got going over here. So anyway, man, if you're looking for a pit, shoot me an email. I'll put it in the description box. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.